Hi, I'm Carolyn. I'm the founder of Carolyn's Facial Fitness, Facelift Through Exercise, and Carolyn's Facial Formulas, Nourishing Skin Care. I'll be 75 years old in just 3 months. Today I want to talk to you about our hair repair shampoo. And I really love the shampoo. You can see that my hair looks really very good. And it has a lot of vitamins in it, vitamin B, vitamin E, helps to retain the moisture and to nourish the hair itself. And it is sulfate-free, paraben-free. And sulfate-free is important because sulfates can irritate the scalp and the skin of the scalp. And when you have, you lose about 100 hairs a day, and that means that you have an empty follicle that the sulfates can get into and create havoc by making the hair more brittle, easier to break off and so on. And also sulfates damage colored hair, and our shampoo will not do that. It will just enrich it. And it's a really good pairing with our conditioner. And I hope you try it.